First tap the dollhouse button in the bottom left of the screen. Then tap Sight View. Use your device's camera to scan the ground, and once the dots appear, tap on the screen. Push and pull the model by using a finger on the screen. Use 2 fingers to turn and rotate the model into position. Use the slider in the top right of your screen to change the height of the model when on uneven surfaces. Once in position, tap the lock button to lock the model in place, allowing you to tap to move inside the model as well as freely walking around.